Yo, what's good, everybody? So this morning I took a few different entries on this trade, but I want to talk about some of the new concepts that I've learned lately that have really helped me and helped me to kill it on this trade. I made about $600 on my evaluation account on Funded Futures Family, and let's just get right into it. This morning before the market opened, I charted out all of my levels as you see here, and I was looking at NQ and ES, or SPY and QQQ. And we had right here the Asian session low on both of these, and then we had the pre-market high here, the pre-market low, and this green line and this red line were the 15-minute opening range. So what I saw here is we swept the Asian session low and then we just rocketed right back up out of it. So I was looking at the 5-minute chart on both of these after that happened because that's a good liquidity sweep. But this is where things got really interesting. With the 15-minute opening range breakouts, you kind of want to look for a base to be formed, and that's kind of what was going on right here. We went above it, but like right here, I'm still thinking, okay, maybe shorts, but then we got this big candle with a lot of volume and it consolidated, and then right here we rocketed. Now, what made me enter right in here? And I actually entered in here too, and then it rocketed. I sold, and then it came back down. But I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I decided to re-enter on this. If we look at a smaller time frame, I was watching the 3-minute. I was thinking, okay, this could be where we might want to go test the pre-market high. That was my target for this, okay? So if you look at this, and this is a new concept that I've been learning, and this is like the first time I've actually seen it in action. So that's why I'm so excited to make this video. Right here, I already knew we were going to be wanting to target the pre-market highs. We were kind of flirting with the 15-minute opening range high. So we came up, we broke it, then we sold off right back below it. But then we came back up, and then we came down. But as you can see on ES, this low right here was higher than the low that we made on NQ, and we started ripping. That's an SMT right there. We made a lower high here, and then we made a lower high here. But this lower high was higher than it was on NQ than it was on ES. So that is a good indication that we're going to see some more upside. Plus, we had so many other good factors too for this trade. For example, we had like on the 2-minute, look, we just rocketed right back up after we sold off on this. And it also lines up with so many different things. First of all, we put in this SMT on the 2-minute, okay? On all the time frames, we put in this SMT. But look where it's at. It's after we created this huge fair value gap on both of them. We came back into the fair value gap. We rocketed up. We came back down and retested it. But then we put the SMT in. We closed on this candle right back above the 15-minute opening range, and then we rocketed up. And we kept going up, as you can see. And we just sold back off. But like these are the types of trades that I want to be taking if I'm going to be a profitable trader in 2025, because you have your high. I put my risk like in here about, because I was just trading one contract of MNQ, so that's why I put an early entry here. But then once we closed above, that's when I added more of my position and we rocket up. That's how I got to the 600 here. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to go through what I saw in here and what was going through my mind and to just make a video. So it's mostly just for me, but thanks for watching if you're watching this, or my future profitable self, and we'll see you next time.